so she can watch it. Yeah. Oh, can you have a picture? Ni pwede siya picture. Can you picture dito ni Dong? Ni. Yeah, there you go. Picture. Ni. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, wow. Again. Cheers. Yeah, picture. Okay. Okay, one more. Oh, Ate Dong. Julene. Look. Here. $10? Why? Hindi maguti na yun si Marilat.
Where did you put my 100
100 ba sa kanya doon?
No. Did you put your 100 that you owe me basically in my account yet? No.
Ala,
Did you? You said you
where's the $100? What is that for?
I babysitted her for when you were gone.
Nag-babysit ba siya?
Yeah, I did. Did you?
Ask Jelana first. Jelana, who babysit you while mommy gone?
See.
Oh, okay.
So when are you gonna put my 100 in my bank account?
Saan galing yung mga damit niyo? Pati si Grandma na eh.
Ang galing ata sa iyo to eh.
Ayun, nag-homer pala tayo.
Oh, birthday ni Marilla. Binigyan. Well, dapat ang pupunta, wala pala si Harper. At least available yun.
So when
Okay naman siya.
money in my bank?
Ha?
When are you gonna put my money in my bank account?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Kay Marilla? Oo.
Balik na, mother. Bye-bye. Bye.
Ay, sa gift card sa Target, yeah. Pang back to school niya pala. Daddy, help Jelana, please. Please, say please. Oh, can you put candy here for why her hands is broken? Is her hand broken, Jelana?
No.
What happened? We need to put candy for grandma. Yeah, we need to put candy. Pupunta kayo sa Asian store? Pupunta ba kayo? Mag-transfer ako sa'yo? Ay, sabihin mo na lang kung magkano mag-transfer ako. Bigyan mo ako, pag mag-shopping kayo, bigyan mo na, mag-transfer na lang ako after. May bibiling ka ba sa Lucky Me? Ewan ko. Meron pa ba tayong mga pansit canton? Pansit canton, meron pa?
Oh, baby, take one candy and give it back. You want one to eat?
Wala na, ewan ko, ano bang wala na ba tayo? Ikaw ba may bibiling ka?
Jelana.
Kung may bibiling ka. Jelana, let me see your candy. Oh, what is that? Let me show mommy. Oh, she got what?
Please.
What is that, honey? Can I look at it? Oh, happy cherries. Yummy.